Hi everyone, welcome to HowFixIT. If you're dealing with a cracked back cover or not charging your Apple Watch Ultra, whether sensors are not working, temperature sensor faulty, or inaccurate heart rate readings, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to fix these issues by replacing the back cover assembly. Before we get started, here are the tools you will need to repair the Apple Watch Ultra: a screwdriver set, plastic spudgers, tweezers, screen disassembly tool, indispensable for disassembling the Apple Watch Ultra due to the slim gap between the screen and the watch frame, B7000 glue, good for high elasticity, anti-vibration, and water resistance, and screen clamp. Links to all the tools you need are in the video description below. Take your Apple Watch and power it down. Remove the 4 screws securing the back cover. Pay attention to the rubber gaskets under the screws. Be careful not to lose these gaskets. They provide water resistance and will be installed when reassembling the watch. Use a hairdryer or heat gun to heat the back cover to loosen the adhesive underneath. Insert a metal pry tool in the seam between the watch frame and the back cover. Carefully begin to separate the back cover from the watch frame. Slide the pry tool around the watch frame to slice its adhesive. Do not insert the tool deeply, or you'll cause it to tear the sensor cable. Carefully lift the back cover and swing it open without straining the cable. Use a plastic spudger to pry and disconnect the sensor cable from its socket. Remove the back cover. The ceramic back cover includes a wireless charger coil and sensors such as a heart rate sensor, blood oxygen sensor, gyroscope, high gravity accelerometer, and skin temperature sensor. If any of these sensors are not working or your Apple Watch Ultra does not charge, replacing the back cover assembly should fix this issue. In the description, I left a link to the back cover assembly for the Apple Watch Ultra. During disassembly, the band release buttons and springs may fall out. Be careful as they are easy to lose. The buttons have tiny springs on each end, crucial for proper functioning. During reassembly, ensure each button has 2 springs and is positioned correctly. Let's start reassembling the Apple Watch. The band release buttons have tiny springs on each end, crucial for proper functioning. During reassembly, ensure each button has its 2 springs and is positioned correctly. The back cover should be glued to the watch case to ensure water resistance. It is recommended to use an adhesive silicone pad for Apple Watch Ultra. But if you don't have such an adhesive pad, and the old pad is still in good condition, you can use B7000 glue. This isn't the best solution, but it might work if you need to complete a repair immediately. After this repair, your device will function normally, but may lose its IP6X dust and water resistant rating. It will still resist accidental moisture, but avoid using it for diving below 40 meters and in high-speed water sports. Applying glue to the watch frame, pay attention to the hole for the band release buttons and make sure the glue does not get into it. The back cover is connected to the watch case by 2 cables. The main cable is long enough to reach the back cover socket. The second cable is shorter and should connect automatically when the back cover is properly installed on the watch frame. When installing the back cover, ensure that these connectors align correctly. Check the band release button mechanism and make sure it is working fine. Put the rubber pads back and tighten the 4 screws. B7000 glue dries completely after 24 hours, but the surface drying time is up to 45 minutes. Let's test the watch before the glue hardens completely. Power up your Apple Watch and test the heart rate sensor and wireless charging coil. If the watch works fine, we proceed to remove the remaining glue. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more repair guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. The repair is complete. You are on HowFixIT. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.